Hi, I'm Dylan Smart. In this video, we will demonstrate how quickly and easily you can build an attractive boardwalk-style walking path for your outdoor living space around the side of a building to join two decks or to create a floating pathway through a garden area. As in all construction projects, remember to use the correct personal protective equipment. Protect your hands using all-purpose utility gloves. Always wear safety glasses. This will drastically reduce the risk of hand and eye injury. The boardwalk can be installed on any surface: grass, concrete, soil, mulch, or gravel. If there is a small grading slope of less than 4 degrees, the boardwalk can still be installed. In that case, the boardwalk must be installed perpendicular to the slope. It all starts with our patented recycled rubber MultyDeck base. There are 3 channels molded into the base, designed to cradle 6-inch wooden or composite deck boards. To create panels, the boards are first laid face down on a flat surface, ensuring that the crown of the board is facing upwards, like a smile. Place the MultyDeck rubber bases over the 4-foot decking boards so each board will fit snugly into the channels of the mat. Start in the corners, lay your rubber bases down, spacing them no more than 18 inches apart. Screw the bases to the wood, going through the rubber and into the back of the lumber. Remember to not overturn the screw. You want the head of the screw just depressed into the rubber base. Screw the bases into the wood using 1 5/8 inch deck screws. Once you have the panels made, flip the panels over. Arrange each panel so that they are 5.5 inches apart, creating a gap for the joiner board. For a more permanent solution, we recommend using an adhesive before screwing down all of your joiner boards. Add the joiner boards onto the side supports of the MultyDeck bases and secure by screwing down into the rubber from the top of the board. To create a finished edge, add a 2x2 trim to the sides along the long edge of the path. Simply screw the 2x2 trim directly into the wood of the MultyDeck boardwalk walkway. You now have completed a boardwalk walkway.